Today what we're going to be doing is replacing the oil on my Vauxhall Astra VXR. Before I drain the old oil, I'm going to be using an engine flash. I'm going to be replacing an oil filter, sun plug seal, and this is the oil that I'm going to be using, which is 5W30. So first what I'm going to be using is the engine flash. So grab some funnel, wear some gloves, and pour it into the engine to mix with the old oil. Close the filler cap, and you're going to start the engine for 20 minutes. After this 20 minutes, what you're going to do is turn the engine off and raise the right side of your car up. Now you're going to use your ratchet, a T45 Torx bit, and a drain pan. You're going to go under the car and remove the sun plug. Make sure you put the drain pan under the sun plug and remove it completely. You're going to use your pick and remove the seal from the sun plug and replace it with a new one. After you've done that, you're going to go under the car, put the sun plug back in, and remove your oil filter, which is just behind the driver's side wheel. So remove it completely and replace it with a new one. And don't forget to put a bucket underneath to catch any oil. So after you've done that, you want to make sure everything's tight and clean. Bring the car down to the ground. Now you want to remove your dipstick and your filler cap. Take your funnel and start pouring your oil in. After you fill it up with oil, close your filler cap, put your dipstick back in, and start the car for a few minutes. While the car is running, go under the car and check if it's not leaking. Then turn your car off. And recheck the oil. If you need some more oil, top it up. If it doesn't, shut the bonnet and you're done. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button If you have any comments, leave it in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.